the seasoning is inside the pot. So now I'm about to add the rice. Yes, this is the Indian rice. Special. All the way from India. Alright, you're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So that is my Jamaican style rice and peas. Yes, red kidney beans with Indian rice. Yes, all seasoned up. And yes. Now I'm gonna add some butter. Some butter in there, just half a stick of butter. I'm going to turn the fire down low and allow her to slowly cook. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV, and this is jerk pork. Jamaican style jerky. And you'll see this on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. So this is phase 1 of the watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. This is part 2, phase 2 of the cooking journey. Alright, I'm going to add some beef stock. Yes, some beef broth into the jerky. Alright, my friends, this is what it boils down to. Alright, these are the remaining seasoning. We're in part 2, phase 2 of the cooking journey. So we have here to my left, we have bell peppers, and in the center I have onions, some sliced onions, and a little bit of, green scallion, and hot Scotch bonnet pepper, and then I have some carrots and some chopped up onions. Yes, and then over there I have ketchup, A1, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt. Yes, and of course the remaining seasoning here, butter and oil. But I will be using more of those. I have enough in the pot. So you're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. This is part 2, phase 2 of the cooking journey. TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm adding some water. So that is the Indian rice and peas and jerk pork, modified jerk pork, Jamaican style. Yes. Alright, now one last thing to put in it. One last thing going to the jerk pork. Alright, I'm just going to put a touch of this in it. Yes, just a touch. I have to watch. I have to watch myself. Normally, if I didn't have this issue, it would be a lot more going to the sauce. A lot more. But I need to be very careful here. I don't want anything to set my pressure on. Yes. Okay. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery International TV on the YouTube platform in my cooking lab. Yes, we're in part 2, phase 2 of my cooking journey in my cooking lab on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, we're coming down to the wire, to the finish line, to wrap this up and complete this journey here today. My friends, take some of the tanginess from the A1 on the ketchup. Yes. Alright. That's my final. Seasoning typically we put in, it came in the jerk, and the special jerk sauce. All of it was in the jerk sauce. So you may not see pimento seed, but it was in the jerk sauce. All that was ground up pot to the plate. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, this vessel is for my neighbor. Yes, for my neighbor. Likes it. It tastes fabulous. So I hope he enjoys it. Yes, this is from my neighbor. Yes. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking on Discovery TV. This is part 2, phase 2 of the cooking journey in my cooking life on the Winston Joe Cooking on Discovery TV. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, one plate is mine. This is my plate over here. Yes, that is my plate. Yes, jerk pork stew. Jerk pork stew, Jamaican style. And rice and peas, Indian style with kidney red beans. Yes, you're seeing this on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV International. Alright, my friends, please like and share. Yes, like and share my video. And you can share some of the food for yourself from the plate, from the containers. Alright, until